having trouble opening Discord on your PC or laptop in 2025? Whether it's stuck, crashing, or not responding, don't worry. I'll show you easy steps to fix it fast. Let's get started. Search for firewall.cpl and open it. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings. Then allow another app. Click on Browse. And type %app local data %. Open the Discord folder. Select the discord.exe file and click Open. Click Add. Checkmark Private. And click OK. Next, clear the Discord cache. Press Windows +R on your keyboard. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Find and open the Discord folder. Select all cache-related folders and delete them. If that doesn't work, reinstall Discord. Right-click on the Windows Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps. Then Installed Apps. Find Discord, click the 3 dots, and select Uninstall. Now press Windows +R again. Type %local app data and press Enter. Open the Discord folder and delete all files inside it. Finally, download and reinstall Discord. Open your browser and search for Discord download. Click on the official Discord website and download the latest version. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like, please.